Assalamualaikum and very good evening to everyone. So welcome to our next tutorial. Our next tutorial will be we will be doing a billboard for today. Assignment. What? That sounds so wrong. A bit wrong, but it's okay. So what you can see here through my AI, this is the product. I'm sorry, it's quite simple because like usually McD they usually make the design quite simple, so I try to follow, and this is the best that I can came up with. But fret not, you can try to do better than me this time and try to send your artwork. Okay, I'll be looking forward. So without further ado, so I'm going to start by creating the artboard size. We'll be using Photoshop for the mockup, so the size for both is going to be the same. So you can see here the size should be 3293, this one 3293, and also 1843. So these are the size that I'll be using: 3293, 1843, 1843, and also RGB as usual. So just click create, and this is our new artboard. Okay, so moving on. So what I did was I find some stuff on McD product, which what I found was this one. It's going to be in the file later. So this is going to be quite quick and fast paced, okay? But then it's just going to be the same because you guys already have the basic. So these are the things that I searched. You can try to search any product, but make sure it is PNG, which is they don't have any background. So if you want to use your own product for this, you can just Photoshop later, which you need to remove the background. So I'll start with arranging the layouts. So I want the fries to be the center, and maybe this one. Okay, this one can cover, just make it to the front. Here, this one can be resized. Oh, that one looks so good, man. And even this chicken, I'm so hungry. I haven't eaten yet. It's okay. This is our, I don't know, soft week. We all a student, so just do your part, okay? See, you see, these two look the same. My god, but this one quite blurry, I think, because of the compression. But then this pie, if you zoom, oh my god, it's a caramel, man. I'm drooling right now. Okay, sorry. Okay, just put here. I think I want it to be like at the back of the ice cream. So just play with the layer. So let's say from here, and then this one, just resize. Man, that looks so good, man. Have you guys tried the fries and also ice cream? That one, fantastic. Really the bomb. Okay, you can try it. It's not weird, man. It's common science. Yeah, because it tastes good. Why would you worry about that? Okay, so what I'm doing right now, I just want to get a grasp of the layer. Oh, if we forgot our McChicken. See? Oh my god, that looks good, man. Okay, wait. Keep yourself together, Mikael. Okay. Okay, last one is the burger. So let's say I'm putting it over here. Okay, the burger a bit. Okay, and then, oh god, help me. So this is the layout that I want to use. Okay, so a bit bigger for the pie. Oh my god, that looks fake. Because like the size at the back is even bigger, smaller than the one in the front. Okay, so I think this one is okay. So let's say this will be the center of the design. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I want it to make it something like this. You can use pen tool actually, but then I tried to use it, but then it's not nice. So just from here, group, and wait, Control G, and then file, export as. We're going to just export this one. Wait, I need to file, export selection. Okay, so make sure your file should be the one that you want to keep. So let's say from here I'm going to make a new folder. Billboard 2. I'm going to select this folder. Okay, just export the asset file. So now, because I don't want to use the pen tool, you can if you want, but then it's going to look a bit messy. So what you can do, you just go to your Photoshop. So for your Photoshop, the size is going to be the same. So this is your Photoshop, the size is the same. You just refer to my previous artboard size. Okay, so from here just drag the outcome product. Okay, wait for it, but actually you can also do it here. I don't know why I just did in Illustrator. Well, let bygone be bygone. But the problem is that when you follow the actual size of the artboard, your Photoshop might crash because it's quite big. So depends on you. Okay, so from here just right click, and then you can just raster layer if you want. Right click again, go to blending options. I'm going to go for the stroke. So for the stroke, this one I think due to the excess of the files, because it is not being cut nicely. Okay, so it's not my fault. Stop blaming me. Lol, suddenly. Okay, so you just play with the stroke because you want to make an outline of the foot itself. So but for here it's okay. This one is because of the shadow. You can either let it be, or you can just use brush to cater this one. So depends on you. But let's say I just let it be, and then for here, okay, let's say now we have this one. So I can just export back. Why I'm using this one only for stroke? Because I don't want anyone's laptop to hang, because the size is quite big. So I'm just going to export, not this file, but this folder. So from here, okay, just save, just export this one. Or I don't think you guys see. Wait. Again. So when you go to file and then just choose export as, you can choose to export as what. So let's say I just want to export as PNG, so later you just change. Or you can just right click here, quick export as PNG. Wait, why it doesn't pop up? Okay, sorry, I don't know why it doesn't pop up, but you can just right click here, asset, this one, right click, and then you can just find export to PNG. You just right click here and then export to PNG, quick export as PNG. So from here back to our AI. So back to our AI just now. So this is our new file, right? So you can just drag, put it here, and then just add the new one. The new one, which is this one. So just make sure it is at the center, so it's going to follow the size of your previous artboard. So this is your what? Highlight of the banner. Press M. So now everything is just going to be the same. I think you guys can do this because it's simple. I think why when I go here I didn't see anything. Oh, you need to embed this one first. Don't forget to embed. Oh, okay. You can see these lines, right? But when I zoom, I don't know why. It's okay. Lazy way to do this, just use some pen tool and then let's close that. See? No more. And then this part. Pen tool again. And close. And then this one. I don't know why. So easiest way to do this. See? Just tap, 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 tap. But then instead of red, let's change to white. Click it again. Choose white, 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 white. Okay. So okay, you just need to adjust it a bit. Okay, so it's done. I think okay, I forgot to do the box. For the background, as usual, you need to make a circle, a rectangle at the back. So you just make one, and then put it at the very back, and then just lock. Control 2, Control 2. Okay, just click Control 2. So everything is okay for now. So this is our food. Nom nom. And then next one, we'll be adding the Mcdonald logo and also some text. If you see, usually the billboard for McDonald's is quite simple. I can't wait to see your products on this tutorial, so please do your best. So from here to your billboard, you can just add this one, logo. You can just find McDonald logo PNG, so it's going to be cropped at the first place. You don't have to crop in your Photoshop. From here, I'm just going to put it around here and then make a circle at the back. I think bigger. Okay, send it at the back. What? There you go. Okay, so why is changing to black, man? This one, this one, this one, besides. So I think around here would be okay. And then I think I just lock everything, Control 2. Okay, so nothing's moved now. Okay, nothing's going to move. And then looking from here, we just add this text. So see, it's quite simple. You can do it like in 10 minutes actually. So type some text. Run with happiness. Then what's more, I think the happiest moment in my life is getting food. Yeah, one of it lah. Not sure because I'm feeling hungry or I don't know. Food makes me happy, man. Okay, so from here, I forgot the code. Wait. So the color code is FFCC200. So just go here, double tap, press OK, and then just rotate just a bit. just a bit. Okay, so these are the product. So basically now you have your very own billboard for McDonald. So try to enhance and push yourself to make better design than me. Okay, just a bit on the alignment of the fonts itself. Okay, on here, and then I think you're done. You are done. Okay. So as usual, just file export as. From here, it's just going to be the same. Okay, just save. Let's say VB. Oh, wow, wait, again. File, export as. PNG, use artboard range 1. The name is BB. It's not BB, okay? You don't play. Okay, now we're going to go over to Photoshop. So just the same thing when using mockup. Okay, so the same thing. You just need to add your graphics here. So after clicking, this one's going to pop up. So I'm just going to add my product, which is this one. See, it's loading because the file is quite big. Aigu. Wait for it. I'm sorry if I sound lazy today. It's just because I'm sleepy. Because it's wetter weather right now. It's just raining just now. And I haven't ate yet. Right je. Later I just grab some Tom Yum Ali. Om nom nom. Okay, so basically when you put, you need to wait. There's a progress bar right now. I don't know why it doesn't pop up, but then that one is just minor thing. Don't have to worry. So from here, Control S as usual, and then you can see your product here in the mockup. So it's going to pop in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1/2, 0.5. Aigu motor 0.8. Okay, jajang. So you can also add some text for your creativity. Okay, sometimes usually from ads they're going to type right illustration purposes only, so that's why you look the picture is beautiful, but then what you see is very devastating. Okay, so I think that's all for today. This is your tutorial for this week, which is billboard assignment. So see you on next tutorial. Bye bye.